Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Wifimap token. Ticker symbol is Wi-Fi. This token just got 2 brand new central exchange listings. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Wifimap token. Ticker symbol is Wi-Fi. So this token got listed yesterday, April 11th, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So you can get this token off of Mexc Global. And then it's being listed today, also April 12th, 10 a.m. UTC time on Hotbit Global. So if you don't have a Hotbit or an Mexc Global account, I do have referral codes for both of those in the description box. So you could use either one of those if you're looking to get this token. All you'd have to do is either go right through that Hotbit or Mexc referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Wi-Fi, W-I-F-I, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So yeah, Hotbit Global and Mexc Global. It is listed on both. So what is Wifimap all about? It says our mission is to provide people with free internet access worldwide. We believe that access to the internet is a fundamental human right. Connectivity leads to free speech and expression, equal access to education, freedom, and conscience, and more. We believe that everyone on the planet should have free, stable, secure, and fast connections to the internet. So we have developed a community-driven product for those who need free internet access for different reasons. We see that 3.7 billion people have never been connected to the internet. That's a lot. Millions and millions of households can't afford unlimited access plans. Even in Europe and the US, millions of travelers are lost with astronomical prices for roaming. Millions of refugees, seasonal workers, students, and people on the edge of survival all have a right to be connected to the world. For billions of humans, connectivity is an unreachable privilege or simply a significant cost. Wifimap provides an internet connection to support their efforts to move forward and do the best in their life. So who do we serve? It says, given our global footprint and our wide and continuously expanding service offering, we are able to offer our services to a large audience. More than 60% of our user base are digital natives, constantly connected to the internet. About half of them are familiar with crypto and Web3 technologies. So Wifimap is building a community-driven, decentralized wireless network. The desire to help, the fundamental motivation for the Wifimap community. We know that millions of people share the same values, and a lot of enthusiasts are already with us. They contribute willingly to the platform with only the intention to help their fellow humans and have a decent internet connection. So over the last 8 years, we have built a successful app with a large community offering the following services. So Wi-Fi Finder services, crowdsource map with publicly available hotspots anywhere in the world, global ESIM, so 4G and 5G eSIM data can be used whenever a Wi-Fi spot is unavailable, offline maps, all the info at your fingertips, even if data services are down or when traveling or roaming is too expensive. Built-in VPN, an essential service for anyone looking for extra security on their network while they trade crypto or perform other sensitive tasks. and speed test. So make sure your connection will meet your needs. So who we are, they have the core team on their white paper. You can find a link to their white paper on their official webpage, which is Wifimap.io. This is on the Polygon blockchain, by the way, so you can check out their Polyscan as well. Right now they have 1,851 holders, a total supply of 1 billion tokens and 18 decimal places on this token on the Matic blockchain. So they also have a Twitter, which you could find at Wifimap app, and they have a Discord link too as well that you could find the invite at Wifimap as well. And so yeah, their white paper is available on their webpage, wifimap.io, and on the white paper you could find their core team. It has their faces on here. There's 7 members. Has their faces, full names, job titles, and then a LinkedIn address that you could click on and go check them out there. So yeah, and then it has a background story of who they are. It says they've been working on applications since 2008. A whole bunch of team info here. What sets us apart? It says large user base, leading ecosystem, strong community, artificial intelligence technologies, and a super app. So then it goes over what we've achieved so far. It says they have 150 million users already globally, 200 plus countries, 13 million contributors, 1 billion connections, 4.5 billion hotspots, and 4.6 stars rated in the Google Play Store and App Store by over 2 million users. So 2 million reviews. And then we said, what have we achieved so far? Over 17 million new Android users, over 4.2 million new web users, over 4 million new iOS users, and over 100 million Wi-Fi connections. The #1 app in 100 countries. So yeah, it just goes over all that type of stuff. There's NFT integration and gamification, rapid expansion of map services, partnership development. Their roadmaps on here, starting with Wi-Fi TGE, then the Wifimap custody wallet, redeem Wi-Fi tokens for products, fiat on-ramp, then Wi-Fi tipping, rewards, holder perks. Then we got Wi-Fi map browser, NFTs and gamification, partnership features. And then lastly, 2024, the Wi-Fi network scanner, map router, and auto connect. And then they go over their long-term vision on here. And you can check all this out, like I said, on their white paper. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global and Hotbit Global. So check out both of those referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the Wi-Fi token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.